Let's learn with Miss Carol. What's in my backpack? Let's learn to organize the backpack for school. When we go to school, we should take our backpack. Let's learn how to say backpack. Backpack. Repeat with Carol. Backpack. Now let's discover some of the items that might be inside our backpack. Notebook. Notebook. Book. Book. Pencil case. Pencil case. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. Water bottle. Water bottle. Planner. Planner. Coat. Coat. Change of clothes. Change of clothes. Homework. Homework. Umbrella. Umbrella. Badge. Badge. Some children also bring glasses, communication boards, medicines, money for snacks. Open your backpack on a table and remove the items that will not be needed on the next trip to school. Then check which books and notebooks will be needed. You can use the timetable as a guide. Also, check if there is any homework or assignment to be taken. Place them neatly inside the backpack, being careful not to crumple them. We must take good care of our belongings. You can put a change of clothes in a separate pocket or inside a little bag so as not to mix with your supplies. Remember to take your pencil case with everything your school asks for. Let's learn to say pencil case. Pencil case. Let's get to know some things that go in the pencil case. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Crayons. Crayons. Pencil. Pencil. Eraser. Eraser. Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Ruler. Ruler. Scissor. Scissor. Glue. Glue. Markers. Markers. Pen. Pen. Mechanical pencil. Mechanical pencil. Post-its. Post-its. Well done, congratulations! Now you know how to pack your backpack for school. Practice a little every day. This way you'll get better and better. Remember, you can do it. Yay! Let's learn about the numbers. This is the number 2. 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 How many robots do you see? I see 2 robots over here. How many clocks do you see? I see 2 clocks over here. How do you make 2 with your hands? This is how you make 2 with your hands. How do you make 2 with your hands? This is how you make 2 with your hands. That's so cool! You have learned a new number. How do we write this number? Let's find out. A little curve, go back and 1 line. The number 2 is looking fine. A little curve, go back and 1 line. The number 2 is looking fine. That's amazing! You have learned to write the number 2. Let's learn how to say the number 2.
2.
Repeat with Caro.
2.
This is the number 2. This is the number 2. This is the number 2. This is the number 2. How many kites do you see? I see 2 kites over here. How many books do you see? I see 2 books over here. How do you make 2 with your hands? This is how you make 2 with your hands. How do you make 2 with your hands? This is how you make 2 with your hands. Amazing! Well done! You have learned a new number! Yay! Let's meet a new animal. The bunny hops, the bunny rests, the bunny plays, the bunny runs fast. The bunny hops, the bunny rests, the bunny plays, the bunny runs fast. The bunny listens, the bunny sees. The bunny is your buddy and it's so happy to be. The bunny listens, the bunny sees. The bunny is your buddy and it's so happy to be. It's your turn, let's do it again. It's your chance, let's have another dance. It's your turn, let's do it again. It's your chance, let's have another dance. Repeat with Caro. Bunny, well done, one more time. Bunny, repeat with Caro. Bunny, well done, one more time. Bunny. Learning with Caro is so much fun. Let's sing again this happy song. In the woods, it jumps with glee. The bunny's quick, as you can see. In the woods, it jumps with glee. The bunny's quick, as you can see. The bunny's brown, white, gray, and black, and every color is beautiful Bunny is brown, white, gray, and black, and every color is beautiful in fact. Bunny, bunny, now I can read. Bunny, bunny, and write indeed. Bunny, bunny, now I can speak. Bunny, bunny, imitation is neat. Well done! Yay! Our Life with Alice and Tony in Moving and Learning. Let's watch and learn. Being happy. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being mad. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being suspicious. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being serious. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being sad. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being ashamed. Your turn. Let's watch and learn. Being bored. Your turn. Well done! Good job! Thanks for watching! Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's learn about the fruits. This is the apple. This is the apple. Let's sing together. Apple. Let's sing together. Apple. Dance with the apple. Dance with the apple. The apple is round, the apple is sweet, a delicious snack, hard to compete. Red and shiny, oh so bright, it's a delight and a healthy bite. Apple, apple, juicy and nice, crunchy and delicious, it's a paradise. From apple pies to smoothies and more, so many yummy things that we adore. That's super cool! You found a new fruit. Let's say its name. Apple. Let's say it one more time with Miss Caro. Apple. Learning with Caro is so much fun. Let's sing again this happy song. This is the apple. This is the apple. Let's sing together. Apple. Let's sing together. Apple. Dance with the apple. Dance with the apple. Well done! Good job!
Let's move and learn about the insects. In our garden, we find a lot of different and colorful bugs. Let's meet some of them. Do you know this insect? It's a butterfly. Let's flutter like a butterfly. Now let's say butterfly together. Butterfly. Once more. Butterfly. What a cute insect! Do you know its name? It's the ladybug. Let's imitate the little antennas of ladybugs using our fingers. Now let's say ladybug together. Ladybug. Once more. Ladybug. How about this insect? It's an ant. Look how the ant marches up and down the tree. Let's march like an ant. Now let's say ant together. Ant. Once more. Ant. What a beautiful glow! Which insect is making this light? That's right, it's the firefly. Let's blink like a firefly. Now let's say firefly together. Firefly. Once more. Firefly. Who's there in the flower? Do you know who it is? It's the bee. Let's fly and buzz like a bee. Now let's say bee together. Bee. Once more. Bee. Whoa, someone is hungry. Do you know the name of this insect? It's the caterpillar. Let's move like a caterpillar. Now let's say caterpillar together. Caterpillar. Once more. Caterpillar. Do you know this insect? It's the grasshopper. The grasshopper jumps really high. Let's jump like a grasshopper. Now let's say grasshopper together. Grasshopper. Once more. Grasshopper. What a beautiful web! Do you know who made it? That's right, the spider. Let's crawl like a spider. Now let's say spider together. Spider. Once more. Spider. Well done. Let's try again. Let's flutter like a butterfly. Let's imitate the little antennas of ladybugs using our fingers. Let's march like an ant. Let's blink like a firefly. Let's fly and buzz like a bee. Let's move like a caterpillar. Let's jump like a grasshopper. Let's crawl like a spider. Thanks for watching. This is yellow, the little chick.
The color yellow is so vibrant and fun. We find it in the star, in the tulip and the sun. We see the yellow in the bee among the flowers, also in the lamp in my study hours. That's so cool! You discovered many awesome things with the color yellow. Let's repeat one more time. Yellow. Repeat with Carol. Yellow. Well done! Congratulations! What else do we have in this color? Let's find out. This is yellow. This is yellow. The giraffe is the color yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow. The flower is the color yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow. The banana is the color yellow. Let's sing together. This is yellow. This is yellow. How awesome! You learned a new color. Yay! Well done! There are so many activities and games we can enjoy away from screens. In this video, I'll show you some of them, so you can learn and choose your favorite. Let's go! Bicycle. Repeat with Carol. Bicycle. Blocks. Repeat with Carol. Blocks. Dolls. Repeat with Carol. Dolls. Singing. Repeat with Carol. Singing. Dancing. Repeat with Carol. Dancing. Drawing. Repeat with Carol. Drawing. Writing. Repeat with Carol. Writing. Puppets. Repeat with Carol. Puppets. Market. Repeat with Carol. Market. Soccer. Repeat with Carol. Soccer. Yoga. Repeat with Carol. Yoga. gardening, repeat with Caro. Gardening, board games, repeat with Caro. Board games, Legos, repeat with Caro. Legos, reading, repeat with Caro. Reading, Play-Doh, repeat with Caro. Play-Doh, playground, repeat with Caro. Playground, sunbathing, repeat with Caro. Sunbathing, painting, repeat with Caro. Painting, beach, repeat with Caro. Beach, puzzles, repeat with Caro. Puzzles. Now that you've learned several activities, how about picking one with the help of my interactive video? The link to this resource will be in the video description. Having fun with screens is awesome, but it's also cool to do other things without screens to stay healthy and active. These activities help us be creative, make friends, and keep our minds and bodies strong. They also make us feel happier and more responsible. Let's check out some fun things we can do before using the TV, phone, tablet, or video game. Let's have screen-free fun! Discover activities to do before screen time. Get 5 minutes of sunlight. Do your homework. Study for a test. Change clothes. have breakfast. Brush your teeth. Draw or read. Tidy up your bedroom. Put away the toys. Organize the backpack. Play outside. Help at home. Do exercises. Well done! You've discovered some fantastic ideas for playing without screens. Guess what? This video has special printables just for our awesome group. That means you can keep on learning and having a blast even when you're not using screens. To join in the fun, visit the links on the description. And don't forget to follow us on social media, where I share cool tips for super fun activities without screens. Thank you and keep shining! Let's learn about the numbers. This is the number 1. 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 How many cars do you see? I see one car over here. How many apples do you see? I see one apple over here. How do you make one with your hand? This is how you make one with your hand. How do you make one with your hand? This is how you make one with your hand. That's so cool! You have learned a new number. How do we write this number? Let's find out. A little line up, A big one down, the number one. You got it now. A little line up, a big one down, the number one. You got it now. That's amazing! You have learned to write the number one. Let's learn how to say the number one. One. Repeat with Caro. One. This is the number 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 one. How many sharks do you see? I see one shark over here. How many balloons do you see? I see one balloon over here. How do you make one with your hand? This is how you make one with your hand. How do you make one with your hand? This is how you make one with your hand. Amazing! Well done! You have learned a new number! Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Did you know that all of my videos come with awesome printable materials? That way, learning can keep going beyond the screens. There's hundreds of books, workbooks, games, and cool resources for a super fun and global learning experience. The link for my support group